In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot association labels effectively in just 5 minutes. This process is essential to streamline your workflows and maintain a clean and organized database, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar with HubSpot yet, it's a powerful software suite that businesses of all sizes use to manage their sales, marketing, and customer relationships. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right of the page. Click on that and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have your phone or security key at hand. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your central dashboard where you can access all your tools and features. From here, you'll need to navigate to the CRM system. Look for the menu option for CRM. It's your entry point to managing customer relationships and organizing data effectively. After you've accessed the CRM, it's time to aim for the Deals section. Deals in HubSpot represent ongoing engagements or sales prospective opportunities. From your CRM dashboard, you can usually locate deals alongside other entities like contacts and companies. Click on Deals and it will take you to a board-style view of all your current transactions. Next, make your way to Settings, which usually resembles a gear icon. Settings in HubSpot oversee various customization options that allow tailoring the system to meet your unique business requirements. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a page filled with options you can configure. Within Settings, direct your attention to the Associations tab. Selecting Associations opens a new window of opportunities to connect your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets seamlessly. HubSpot association labels let you specify and customize these relationships, making it easier to target communication and marketing efforts. Now you're ready to create and configure new association labels. Look for the option that says Create and Configure. Clicking this, you'll see prompts allowing you to add a new association label. Here's where you can start naming and defining the specifics on how different entities relate to one another within your HubSpot ecosystem. This is a handy tool that brings clarity to interrelationships between record types, ensuring that everyone in your organization is on the same page. Keep in mind, taking the time to set up these association labels correctly saves you time down the line, enhancing team productivity and customer satisfaction. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through setting up association labels on HubSpot, a straightforward process that packs a punch in driving business efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.